Hi guys, it's Hi Gavin Gabe, and today we're gonna be doing a Smithsonian mega science lab. So we're gonna do the volcano one today and make it a 6-episode series. So let's open it and see what's inside. So this video is gonna be just me today. Gavin stayed after for school. So let's get this open. Okay, so we got the first tape off. Let's try to open it this way. Okay, so looks like we got it open. Kind of. Open it. Nothing inside there. Set that over there. Okay, so this is what first came in the box. Right here. So, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Oh, I think it said it was a poster. So that's kind of cool. Said it was a poster. I will hold it. Okay, so it said it was a poster. And I think the instructions are on this side. So we're doing the volcano today. So we have to figure out which one's the volcano first. Okay, it's this one, the one that I opened. So we'll just put this to the side for future episodes. Accidentally moved the camera. Get that position back. All right. So here's the volcano. So we have this thing, which is probably the model, and then some circle thing. And some pipe, and then it said this was plaster. Okay. And then the foam tape, and then the tape. And then there's some little thing to tell you about it. Little strip. Okay, and then I don't know what this is for. Some plastic pieces. I don't know what they're for, but we'll have to see what they're. Alright, so this thing right here is, so you're supposed to form it like this. So like that, and you're supposed to tape the end. They gave you a little tape, so I'm going to use the tape that they give you. I think I'm just going to use some tape that we have here instead, because I cannot get that tape off. Okay, so I found some tape right here, but I don't know if I'm going to succeed, and I don't know if this tape will be strong enough or not. So we'll have to see. Hopefully we don't need any more tape. Okay, so we have our volcano thing. So let's read the directions. Okay, so now it says to take the foam tape and put this right in the center. So that's where I guess you drop the baking soda stuff. So let's put one of the sides, down this. And then we'll put just like that. And then we'll take the other side, peel that off, and then stick the tube in there. Push it down. It says like that. With the rest of the 3 pieces of tape, but I just can't seem to get. Okay, so I actually got a piece off this time, so we're gonna use the tape that they give you this time to secure it in. That's what it looks like after 2 pieces of tape. Okay, so I got all 4 of the strips in. Now it says to cut the plaster. So I don't know if I've ever used plaster before. Okay, we have a paper plate and some scissors. So we're gonna take the plaster. I don't really know. Oh, okay. I guess this is plaster right here. It says to get in a wet container. So we're gonna says to get warm water. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use this bowl right here. It says to put it in a bowl or / container. While we wait for that to warm up. Okay, while we wait for that to warm up, we're gonna cut the plaster down the middle. I don't know how much to use. Okay, now we have our warm bowl of water. I don't want to bring it up to the camera, so we're gonna cut them 4 to 6 inches strips. So that's probably about 4 inches. We're gonna drop it in. I don't know how long you're supposed to do this for, but let's see what it says. It just says to drop them in water, so we'll just drop them all in. We'll just drop them all in the water. Better get another paper plate. Okay, I got the other paper plate, and now we'll put the volcano down. There's a little, wish they offered more tape, but okay, got a piece of plaster out, so I guess we'll see how this goes.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
We may have, and we'll have to seal the bottom too. We're gonna do a little bit more right there. Okay. I don't know how, it doesn't say how long to dry this or anything like that. So I don't really know. We're gonna do another piece. At first I thought you let it sat in there. I put like a bunch of pieces in there, but that was a bad idea. So don't do that. Now we're gonna seal off the bottom. We're just gonna get this long, just gonna get a long piece. A little hole now. See? So I'll have to give a little, like a second layer off just to fill that in. Okay. Okay, there. There's our finished product. And I don't know, it doesn't, let's see if it says. So I'm gonna let this volcano dry over here. See you guys back when we're ready to. Fortunately, we didn't have any paint at home, so we can't paint it, but we're gonna go outside and test it out. Okay, so we're gonna get some vinegar from the cabinet. Here we have vinegar. We're gonna get some baking soda, which is right here. And then next, it said some food coloring, so I'll have to the food coloring. So let's hope that there's red in there and yellow. Measuring cup instead. So let's pour a little bit of vinegar in there. Okay, a little bit of vinegar. That's too much, actually. Okay, about that much vinegar, about a 1/4 cup. I want it to be a big eruption. And then we're gonna add some food coloring. I don't know which one is which, but that's yellow. And that's red, so we're gonna add a couple drops of red. Might be reddish yellow, but that's fine. And then we're gonna get a plastic spoon so it doesn't stain. Okay. And then I'm gonna mix that up. We're gonna add a little bit more red. Okay. Okay, it looks red now. Then it said to add a little bit of, we're just gonna grab the teaspoon, even though we're gonna add more than that. So let's pour that in. I don't think I can do both at the same time. Go in. And then we're gonna do 3 teaspoons. So that's good. And then it should be red when it comes out. And would have looked cooler if it had paint on it, but that's fine. Now we're gonna take this outside and do it outside in the grass somewhere. Gavin's made an appearance right here. Ready to do the volcano.
Yeah.
So it's dried and all that stuff.
Let's go take a look to see what it looks like.
Looks like this.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna dump this right in there on the outside.
I think Mr. Angus is going to join us when we go outside.
Yeah. We're gonna take the waterproof case with the GoPro and put it close by on the.
Hi, Angus. It's pretty cloudy out today, but not raining. Isn't that right, Mr. Angus? Yes, it is.
Looks like Angus decided to join us this time. Right, Angus? Okay, so gotta pick a spot to do it in. The edge of the yard.
Oh yes. Okay, ready? We gotta get the other.
We have to get everything set up. No. Oh, I thought you were gonna pour it in there.
Oh, I get the whole. Just make sure it doesn't.
Pour it in.
All of it.
Yeah, just go for all of it. Got some. That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Got some on the side. There, it's bubbling inside. So that looks like we're gonna end the video here, right, Gavin?
Pretty cold out. So it's a nice, cold January day.
It went up a little bit.
I was expecting it to go up a little bit more.
Yeah, me too.
That's all right though. It was still pretty fun.
Fun building it.
I'm sure we'll probably do another one because there's 5 more to do.
Yeah. Gavin should be in the next one more.
Yeah, I had to do some homework and stuff. So
He had to stay after school a little bit too.
yeah. Mr. Angus. No, it's also yeah, so we're gonna end the video here, and we hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Sit.
Angus.
Sit. Good dog.